dear student. Today we will learn about trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. Okay. In the earlier exercise, we have learned about trigonometric ratios, which is relation between angles and sides, length, and exercise number 2, that is trigonometric ratios of some specific angle. So today we will learn about trigonometric ratios of complementary angle. What is complementary? What is complementary angle? That is sum of two angle is equal to what? 90 degree. Then it is known as what? Complementary angle. So let's see how it is related with complementary angle. So I consider a right angle triangle. Suppose I consider a right angle triangle and right angle at B. Okay, this is 90 degree and both of these are 45. Okay, so I consider what? ABC is a right angle triangle. So here angle B is equal to what? 90 degree, and what you get? Angle A plus angle C is equal to what? You will get 90 degree. Okay, angle A plus angle C equal to, you get what? 90 degree. Now you consider this angle. For this angle, so now you consider angle A. Suppose sine A. What is the value of sine A? According to the trigonometric ratio, sine A is equal to what? Perpendicular by hypotenuse. So your perpendicular is given BC and hypotenuse is given what? AC. This is sine A equal to BC by cos A. Sorry, BC by AC. So another you can take, that is cos A. So what is the value of cos A? Suppose cos A is what? Base by hypotenuse. So your base is AB and what? Hypotenuse is AC. Okay. Other also we can take, but I just only two value I take. Okay. Now you see. So from this, what? Again this is given what? Angle A plus angle C is equal to 90 degree. So from this you find the value of C. C is equal to what then? 90 degree minus angle A. So here you can write this like that, 90 degree minus suppose A. Angle, instead of angle A you can write A. So here what you get? Angle C equal to what? 90 minus A. Now angle C is which one? This one. So now it is become what? This is 90 degree minus what? A. Okay, this angle is 90 degree minus A. So you put this is 1, suppose. Okay, so now you take this angle. By using this angle you have to find a trigonometric ratio. So for sine, this angle is what? 90 degree minus A. So sine 90 degree minus A means what? So if you take this angle, your base will be what? Your base will be this and perpendicular will be this. So perpendicular is AB. So AB by what you get? AB by AC. Okay. And cos 90 degree minus A. So finally what you get? Cos 90 degree minus A. Finally you will get, this is the base by hypotenuse. Your base is BC and BC by what you get? AC. So this is 2. Okay. Now you compare with 1. Sin A equal to BC by AC and this is equal to what? Cos 90 minus A is equal to BC by AC. These two are same. So from 1 and 2 what you get? From 1 and 2 what you get? Means sin A, that is, or you can see here cos 90 degree minus A. Okay, this is equal to sin A and all are equal to what? BC by AC. And another what you get? Sin 90 minus A. This is equal to what? Cos A. Because here you see AB by AC, here also AB by AC. So cos A, you will get here cos A. Both are equal to what? AB by AC. So finally what you get? Finally we get what? Cos 90 minus A equal to sin A, and sin 90 minus A equal to cos A. So finally you can say this is the relationship between complementary angle. Okay, so cos 90 minus A equal to what you get? Sin A, and sin 90 minus A equal to you get cos A. In this way you can get the other trigonometric ratios also. For tan 90 minus A you will get cot A, cot 90 minus A equal to you get tan A, cosec 90 minus A equal to you get sec A, and sec 90 minus A equal to you get cosec A. Okay, finally we get it, some formula, we get some formula. So let's see what are the formula. Here you get 2, and another you will get another 4 formula. Okay, I write that, I write that all formula. Okay. So finally we get this sin 90 minus A equal to cos A, cos 90 minus A equal to sin A, and other ratio also you will get tan 90 minus A. This is equal to cot A, and 4 number cot 90 minus A is equal to tan A. Okay, 5 number you will get what? Cosec 90 minus A is equal to you get sec A, and 6 number you will get sec 90 minus A, you will get cosec A. Okay, these are the 6 formulas for complementary angles. Okay, and another simple way to remember this formula. So according to the, so you know the Cartesian coordinate plan, that is coordinate plan, this is the coordinate plan. Okay, so you know about ASTC, that is the Assam State Transport Corporation. Do you know that? So you remember that thing, ASTC, that is ASTC, this is ASTC. A means all trigonometric ratios are here positive. All trigonometric ratios are here positive. And here sine and cosec are positive, and other will be negative. Here tan and cot will be positive, and here cos and sec will be positive, and other will be here what? Negative. So you can take this 90-degree angle, and this is 180, and this is 270, and this is 360. Okay, so our angle in between what? This place. So 90 degrees. So we have to take only this end. So here all angle are positive. So sin 90 minus A, that is, you always remember, in the place of in front of 90, whether it is odd number or even number, that is 1 into 90 means 1 means what? Odd number. So if odd number, your sign will be changed to cos, and cos will be changed to sin, and tan will be changed to cot, cot will be changed to tan, and cosec will be changed to sec, and sec will be changed to cosec. Okay, but if it is more than 90 degree, that is 2 into 90, then it will be same. So that part you will learn, you will learn in the higher study, in the higher secondary level. Okay, just you remember this, all are here positive, all trigonometric ratios are positive if the angle in between 90 degree, then all the values are. Now I take an example for easy to understand for this complementary angle. So here it is, evaluate tan 65 by cot 25. In the earlier exercise you have learned about specific angle, but here not specific. 65 is given, 25 is given, so we don't know how to find this 65 degree angle in the earlier class. So now by applying complementary angle, we have to find this value. Okay, solution. So for that, you write this question here. Tan 65 by cot 25. Actually, we know what tan 90 degree minus a. This is equal to what? Cot a. So applying this formula, we can change this. Means what? We can change this cot 25. Reverse of this, cot a is equal to how can write? Tan 90 minus a. So in the denominator part you can change, or in the numerator part also you can change, no problem. So cot 25 means what? You can write this one tan 90 minus this 25 according to this. Okay, cot a is equal to what? Tan 90 minus. So I write here tan cot 25 is equal to tan 90 minus 25. So finally here you will get tan 65 is same. Only you change one part, either denominator or numerator. So here now, what is the subtraction of this? 90 minus 25. Finally you will get 65. So in the numerator and denominator same value, you can cancel this. So finally your answer will be 1. Clear? Okay. Now I will take exercise. So from the exercise 8.3, I take question number 1. Evaluate sin 18 degree by cos 72 degree, and 4 number question is cosec 31 minus sec 59. So see how we get the solution. So here it is given sin 18 degree by cos 72 degree. Okay. So we know what? Cos, that is cos 90 degree minus 18 degree. What you get? Means cos 90 minus a, you will get what? Sin a. So reverse of the formula what? That is what? Cos 90 degree minus a. This is equal to what? Sin a. By applying this, I write here cos 90 minus a equal to sin a. Okay. So in the denominator part you write same. Only one part you change, other will be same. So cos, here you get cos 90 minus 18 is equal to 72. So here cos 72, both are same, you cancel out and you will get 1. Okay, very easy. So here also same thing, cosec. So you change 1 only. Cosec means what? You can write what? Sec 90 degree minus 31 degree. Already we have learned this complementary angle, sec 90 minus a equal to cosec a. So similar process. So finally what you get here? 90 minus 31 you will get 59 minus sec 59. So these are same. So opposite sign you cancel this. Finally you get 0. Clear? Okay. So clear? So I take another question. And the question 2 and 3, these are homework, you try to solve by. So question number 2, show that cos 38 degree into cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree into sin 52 degree is equal to 0. So you have to prove. So solution. So you take left hand side. What is the left hand side value? Cos 38 degree, cos 52 degree minus sin 38 degree, sin 52 degree. Okay. So these are not in a specific angle. So we have to use what? Complementary angle. So now you see here cos, here sin. So from this you try to change this is into sin. Then what you get? If both are sin, you will cancel this. The cos, if you write this cos in terms of sin, that is what? Sin 90 minus 38. Then what you get? Cos 38. And here also you will get sin 90 degree minus 52 degree. Okay. From this first part we change, but the second part you write same. You don't change this part. Okay. So finally what you get? Sin 90 minus 38, that is equal to 52, and here what you get, sin 90 minus 52, you will get 38. So finally this will be equal to this sin 52. Now you see sin 52 and sin 38, sin 38, sin 52, these are same, so you write the same way, sin 38 degree sin 52 degree minus sin 38 degree sin 52 degree. Now you see both are same, so these are cancelled, so this is equal to 0, and finally you will get right hand side. Okay, hence proved. Question number 3. If tan twice A equal to cot A minus 18, where twice A is an equity angle, find the value of A. So another question I have also take, if tan A equal to cot B, prove that A plus B equal to 90. So question number 3, how we solve this? Let's see. Okay, here it is given that, what is given, you write that one, given that tan twice A is equal to cot A minus 18. Okay, now you see in the right hand side it is what, cot, so you have to change this tan into cot. How it says, we know what, cot 90 degree minus, here twice A given, so you write here twice A, cot 90 minus A is equal to what, tan A. So here twice A there, so you put twice A, no problem. Cot 90 minus twice A is equal to what, tan twice A, and then in the right hand side this is cot A minus 18 degree. Okay, so finally you see in both sides these are cot, so these two are cancelled. Okay, we can cancel this one, so finally we will get 90 minus twice A, and this is equal to A minus 18 degree. Okay, so because both are same, cot, so cot cancel out, and these two are equal. Okay, so now you take the same part, same number in the left hand side, and the other will be in the right hand side, and this 90 if you take in the right hand side, this will be minus, and what you get, this is A will be here minus, so minus twice A is equal to, you will get what, minus 108. Is it? Yes, 108 degree. So finally what you get, A is equal to, you will get minus 108 degree divided by minus 3. So finally you will get A equal to what? So you divide this, 3 3s are 9 and 3 6s are 18, that is 36 degree. Therefore value of A is what? 36 degree. Clear? The value of A is equal to 36 degree. Very easy to remember. So just you have to remember the formula. Okay, so now I will take the question number 2. Clear? Okay, question number 2 or question number 4. Now I will take the question number 4. So question number 4, what is given, you see, question number 4. So given that tan A is equal to cot B, so finally you have to prove A plus B is equal to 90. So from this tan A equal to cot B, so you says only one part. Okay, you can write this cot what, 90 degree minus A, then you will get tan A, that is here what you get, cot B. Now you see cot same, so here you will get 90 minus A, this is equal to B, and finally what you get, 90 degree is equal to what you get, A plus B, because if you take A in the left right hand side, that will be plus. So finally A plus B is equal to what you get, 90 degree. This is the proof. So hence proof. Okay, this is the given proof. Okay, clear? So tan A plus B, tan A equal to cot B, that is finally you will get A plus B equal to 90. Clear? Okay, I take another example, another question from this exercise. Okay, let's see that one. Then you have to prove what, sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. Okay, since what, A, B and C are interior angles of triangle ABC. Okay, so we know what, therefore what, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to what, 180 degree. So I write here angle A means instead of angle A I write here A, that also no problem. Okay, A plus B plus C is equal to what you get, 180, because sum of angle sum property of a triangle. So finally from you see, you take B plus C in the left hand side and A in the right hand side. Okay, because you see according to proof B plus C in the left hand side. So now you divide both sides by 2, like that. We dividing both sides by what, 2. Okay, so here what you get, B plus C divided by 2. So here you will get what, if you divide this 180 by 2, what you get, 90 degree, and here what you get, A by 2. So in the left hand side B plus C by 2 is equal to 90 minus A by 2. Now you take, because in the proof in the left hand side it is what, sine, so you take sine in both sides, that is B by C, and here you will get what, sine same 90 degree minus A by 2. Now you see both the side we take what, sine. Okay, so finally what you get, sine B plus C divided by 2, this is equal to what, we know what, sine 90 minus A, sine 90 minus A is equal to what, cos A, that is you can write here cos A by 2. So this is the proof, hence proof. Clear? So here it is given ABC is interior angle of a triangle. So ABC are equal to 180. Finally we get what, sin B plus C by 2 is equal to cos A by 2. So same question in the exam, different types of trigonometric ratio they can use. Suppose here for tan cot cosec sec, like that. Okay, same proof. Sometimes here it is given A plus B and here it is C. So same type of question you can see in the exam. So you try to practice very well in your home, and the question number which are left in the exercise you try to solve by yourself. Okay, so so today I complete today my class finish here. Okay, and the last exercise is there. There are very interesting topic we have to discuss. So if you like my video, you put like, and if you not subscribe my channel, please you subscribe my channel, then you will get more videos from me, and I am encouraged to make another video for you. Okay, or if you like, if you any doubt, if you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment box. Okay, thank you. Namaste.